Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to generate a timeline from your sources in NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and sign in with your Google account. Once you're on the home page, click Create New Notebook to start a new project. Next, add a source to your notebook. You can upload a PDF, connect a Google document, or paste text directly into NotebookLM. NotebookLM will process your source and prepare it for analysis. This may take a few moments depending on the file size. Once your source is ready, click inside the chat box and enter a prompt like create a timeline of key events from this source, then press enter. NotebookLM will analyze the information in your source and generate a timeline of important events in chronological order. You can refine the timeline by asking follow-up prompts such as include more details for each milestone. And that's how you generate a timeline from sources in NotebookLM. Simply upload your source, ask for a timeline, and let NotebookLM organize the information for you. Thanks for watching!